talk as well? Just
yeah.
So we've got 3 home screens that we can fully customise. We can add content like our email widgets, Office Communicator to the front screen. On the next screen I've got RSS feeds, I've linked to all the top applications on Ovi Store, or Media Player, etc. You can also change the background image on every screen. Very simple to customise, just press and hold on the screen. It goes into edit mode, you can grab a box you want to add content to. You get a widget list come up. Select a widget from this list. If what you want isn't there, you can go onto the Ovi Store now. It'll bring you a list of home screen widgets that you can download and then import straight into that panel on the front screen. Once you're happy with your content, you can drag, drop and swap, move content around to wherever you like. You can change wallpaper, so we can... Oh, that's me pressing the wrong button there. Go into main widgets, or we can go into images or default. We can just select, say, that one, and it'll import that onto the background of the home screen. When we're happy, we just hit the done button. So it's very easy to customise the home screen on the E7. Obviously, as we've seen already, there is a full QWERTY keypad on here, so it makes it very easy for responding to emails, IM, SMS, etc. And when it comes to email functionality, if we go back to the previous screens, we've got support for mail for exchange, and we've also got support for up to 10 push email accounts from Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. etc. The beauty of the email experience on the E7 is it's the best email UI we have on a Symbian device. You can select an email and we get full screen email experience, so all of the real estate of the screen is used. It's easy to scroll up through your email and much easier to read. You can pinch to zoom as well if you need to get closer onto those words. It also has attachment support, so if there was an attachment on our email, so for example if I find one which does, down here.
Well, you've always had adaptive support.
Yeah, but on the E-Series, the E7 specifically has the latest version of QuickOffice. And with QuickOffice, we're now able to open, read, edit, and when the new version comes through later in the year, E7 users will automatically be able to upgrade to that new version for free, so there'll be no additional charges for it. So this one also doesn't have the email attachment on it. Just come out of that. We go into our menu. The icons are slightly different with the E7 over the N8, so they've refreshed them for this version. We can go into our music player. We've still got some of this music functionality that you find on the N8, so the really nice album art view. You can scroll between. This runs at 60 frames per second, so it's very smooth transitions, very fluid, slick motion. You need to be able to select your music, get your album art underneath. Now, one of the really key important parts of Symbian 3 is the visual multitasking. So if we press and hold the menu key, you get a panel for visual multitasking, which allows you to scroll between every open application that you have, easily flick back in and out of all the open apps you have, or you can close content down very easily if you wish to. So press the exit, close that application down. If you want to close everything down, press and hold, you can close all. One of the other important features for business users is Office Communicator. Now, Office Communicator is obviously the Microsoft Office Communicator, so if you have this installed at your PC at the office, you can now have this on your smartphone, which means you can get the same functionality that you expect from your PC on your smartphone out and about. You can IM people from your own business or across other businesses as well. Unfortunately, the connectivity isn't working for us today, so I can't show you that actually up and running, but you get the idea of how it looks. You've got the presence notification as well. Now when it comes to other parts of the hardware, if we click over, this comes with an 8 megapixel camera and a dual LED flash, so it's the highest resolution camera we've ever put on an E-Series device. You can also record in 720p HD, and you can output via the HDMI connection on the end of the device straight to a HD TV via the HDMI connection, and then view that content on the big screen, be that content you've shot yourself or HD quality movies that you've actually put on the device. Now the E7 actually has 16 gig of internal memory, which isn't expandable, but it also has the ability to use USB on the go. Now you can use this adapter. So the USB on-the-go adapter will work with any thumb drive which doesn't require additional power. You simply connect this into the end of the E7, other way around, like so. It will automatically read it, show us on the screen. I can select the drive, it will show you all my content that I have. And if there's a video that I wish to play, I can actually play the video straight from this device, like so. Which will give a 720p playback as well. And just to show you this video is playing from this device, if I disconnect, it stops playing on the screen. It's all on this device. So in theory you could have a large enough thumb drive to store HD content, HD movies on, and you can always have access to that via your handset and an HDMI connection into your TV to get that home theatre experience. But it does support the Dolby Digital Plus 5.1 surround sound that you get with the N8 as well.
Okay.
So that's the N8.
Thank you very much.